Okay, and this is my face without the mask. You see the dark marks I'm talking about? Those are the marks I'm trying to get gone. And I have some on this, where I think I'm pretty sure those marks came from me popping pimples. This one and this one decided to be twins at one point in time. Big mark on this side, big mark on this side, and I decided to pop both bumps, I believe. I do remember popping this one. And yeah, that's just right there, even though I do have another product that I've been using on it. So I'm just gonna, I have to faithfully like use that one. I want to say like every night. So I used it last night. I'm going to continue to use it for like a week and see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. I've used it before multiple times, but I've never used it continuously. Like, yeah, I just never used it continuously. Like, I believe you have to use it like a couple nights in a row or so. It's good to use like as you sleep. I usually put it on my face before I go to sleep, and I just have those like little marks around, and it helps dry up your bumps and whatnot. But anyways, back to the Indian clay mask. My face feels good, and I needed that. I feel good. So now what I'm gonna do now is just moisturize my face, honestly. I want to try this toner I have, but I don't really have any cotton pads. I have, they're not toothpicks. What are they called? Cotton swabs. I have cotton swabs, but I can't use that on my face. I can't use that to do what it is I'm trying to do. So I'm just not going to worry about that today. So I'm just going to moisturize my face and be done. Give you guys a close up of my face so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'll probably just use my regular face cleansers. Well, I use that every day, my regular face cleansers. Continue to use that. And use my Indian healing clay in like 2 days. Because I don't want to use this. The Indian healing clay mask, I don't think that's something you use every day. Well, I've never heard nobody say they use that every day. I don't. Like I said, I've mostly done it once a week. I'm about to start, like I said, I want to do it in like the next 2 days. And continue to use my face wash that I use on a daily, every morning, every night. To clear my face, just to see if there's any changes. I want to see some progress in my face. I really do. But like I said, I like using that mask. It makes my face feel good. It's really soft. I feel like it closed up some spots in my face. I don't know how to explain that. I really don't. But every time I use it, it does pretty well. It doesn't break me out at all either. That's a bonus. All right, time to moisturize my face. You guys, please leave comments. Tell me, like, you see for yourself. You see my dark marks. You see what's going on right there. So tell me, let me know some products that you all use. On my skin is pretty, I don't want to say dry. It's in the in-between because it gets pretty oily also. Like, especially when I have my makeup and then, horrible. But let me know some products that I can try out to help with this going on right here. because I want it gone. I want it gone. I want it all toned up. I want it all smooth. I don't want whatever this shit is. I don't want that there. So let me know what you use so I can eventually try it out and see if it works better than what I have going on. So right now, basically what I'm trying to do is faithfully use the stuff that I have that I like for my skin to see if there's any changes. If I do a specific little regimen like on a daily, morning and night with my skin. So this is a journey for me that I'm beginning, and I want you guys to come along. Let me know what it is I can add into my skin routine. And thank you guys for watching today. Mr. X, Danielle. Follow, subscribe, all of that. Thumbs up my video. And let me know what you guys want more of.